Once upon a time in the cozy town of Willowville, there lived a cheerful girl named Sweetie and her best friend, a mischievous cat named Tom. Sweetie was known for her bright smile that could light up even the gloomiest days. One sunny morning, as Sweetie was watering her garden, she noticed something peculiar, a tiny door nestled between the bushes. Curiosity piqued, she called out to Tom, and together they pushed the door open. To their amazement, it led to a magical world filled with talking animals and candy-colored trees. A fluffy bunny named Bree welcomed them and explained that they had entered the enchanted forest. But all was not well. The sweetness tree, the source of joy and kindness in the forest, was losing its magic. Determined to help, Sweetie and Tom embarked on a quest to find the missing giggleberries, the tree's secret ingredient. Through challenges and teamwork, they gathered the berries and reached the tree just in time. With laughter and love, they restored its magic, bringing happiness back to the enchanted forest. As a token of gratitude, the animals threw a grand feast where Sweetie and Tom danced under the shimmering moonlight, cherishing their magical adventure forever.